Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to check how to search a job and how to get a job in India. Okay, first thing, everyone try to complete their graduation and try to attend the campus interviews only because company will come to you and they will take the interview. They will take care of all job process. So try to get select in the campus interviews only. Okay, coming to campus interviews, they will ask aptitude, reasoning, group discussions. If you have any knowledge on respective to the your course, they will ask that type of questions. Try to get some knowledges on that and try to perform in good in the interview because you are the product for the company. Product means if only good product will be sold out in the market, so you are the product in the interview. Try to be good product in the interview so you can easily get selected in the company. Why I'm saying in the campus interviews means in the campus interviews there will be n number of companies will come. There will be a banking jobs, accounting jobs, development jobs, testing jobs, and call center jobs. There are n number of jobs there, so most of the people will come and try to take you to the company and they will try to give some training. That means instead of you coming out from the college or you learning the courses and spending time spending money, it is good to select in the campus interviews and get some train and keep on increasing your salaries, experience, your skills. So it is easier way instead of coming out and learning something then trying job is a little bit difficult. According to me it is difficult. Not a, no, I don't know about you. If you are a skilled person you will get outside also. Okay. Let's assume that you are not selected in the campus interviews or in the your college there is no campus interviews. Try to get some aptitude reasoning. These all the skills and some your if you're accounting related things or if you're developer some programming languages. Okay, if you're testing related whatever you if you decided you can learn, no issue. Whatever you learn it will be useful only. If you don't get job on that thing, nothing to worry, you will have some knowledge on that. Okay, coming to first I want to tell about Naukri, Freshers World, Indeed, and there are a number of their Monster and some other job portals are there. But Naukri is the most famous because most of the companies go for Naukri to hire the people. Okay, next, I just want to give introduction how Naukri works and how the things are working in the industry. I just want to explain. Okay, the Indeed also same thing. See, okay, let's see how Naukri it's work. See, Naukri will ask you your complete details in the form of just a minute. So we are discussing about the Naukri. See, Naukri is a job portal, so most of the companies will post their jobs in the Naukri. So how the Naukri will show you the jobs and how the Naukri system is working, I will going to explain. See, first thing, Naukri will ask you to log in. Naukri will ask you to give you provide your name and what your qualification, what are the skills. you know Naukri trying to get from you as a physical form data. That means whenever you log in any website you will find your name and you will give na this all called form data. So what company will do if you are providing bcom, then Naukri will check is there any company person posted any job related to bcom or any you have given any skill. Then Naukri will check any company posted job requirement for this skill. So company will search in their database and they will provide you the jobs. Okay, you can search that recommended jobs and you can apply in the Naukri itself. So after that if you want to try as a fresher, see how can you search the job. See, I'm just searching fresher, location Hyderabad. Okay, whenever you find search like this, it will show how many jobs are there in Hyderabad. Okay, these all jobs will be there. Whenever you click on this, you're going to apply for the job. Okay, so you can check there are a number of jobs. You can apply for them. Okay, and if your interview is get scheduled, you can go to that interview. So second thing, if you are learned something, suppose if you are learned something, you can search Java fresher, fresher Java fresher jobs, it is going to show to you. So you can check, there are a number of jobs there. For one job I'm going to tell you how you can do it. See, click on this. See, you can log in and you can apply the job for this. You can see how many candidates are applied for this one. There might be a 10 or 15 post might be there. So these many people are applied. So in that, if you want to be selected, you have to be improve your skills. Okay, you can check, the candidate should have knowledge. They mention here what are skills you need to have to good chance of selecting in the job. That not mandatory you should have all the this concept. You can have some concepts, some knowledge. You can have some, you can ignore and you can try for interview. Might you don't know, might you get selected because of your brain. That means your thinking capacity and your maturity level, you can select, no issue with that. Okay, try to do that. Okay, if still you cannot find, do one thing. If you are decided to get jobs in the banking sector, search for banking fresher jobs. Then you will know what are skills they're asking, so you can learn that skills. Okay, so that you will easily get. See, here I am searching for Java fresher. They mentioned that these are the skills required. Search for n number of jobs, come to one concept that what are things you need to learn. Okay, here Java fresher, they asked these things. If you are going to other job, okay, what they're asking. Okay, come to one conclusion that what you need to learn is minimum things. Learn minimum things, don't try to learn all things, because that is not going to happen. Because everything you cannot learn, because it's a continuous process. How everyone has to get the job and they're going to trained on something. After that they're going to upgrade slowly, and the packages are going to, this is the continuous process. It is not that everything one shot you have to learn and go to the company. No, learn whatever minimum required, try to perform in that only. If you do, see, there are, here the core Java is there. Core Java you can think as a mandatory, so you can learn, you can give on that. There is a Spring is there. Spring, everyone don't have knowledge. In the interview, if you don't, if you tell him I don't have knowledge on Spring Boot, he don't not going to ask the questions related to Spring Boot. So that time what you do, you learn core Java properly. You try to explain the all the concepts, whatever the questions he asks. If you are able to explain in a good way, he can think he is having the knowledge and he can capable of upgrading to the next level, so he is useful. So provide yourself as a good product to the company. Okay, finally you are going to be employee, whatever. I don't want to discuss about that one, but learn one thing. Okay, perform good. Whatever you learn, perform good. Don't try to learn everything and go in the company. Okay. Okay, you can search in the freshers world also. Try to create a digital. That means while registering, they will ask you everything. Na? Try to put your all skills in that, so that respective of your skill sets or your education, jobs will be shown to you. And if you're still not getting, check, what you are missing, what knowledge you are missing to get that job. Try to get that knowledge and keep on trying. Try minimum 10 interviews. Don't stop with the one interview. Try to give 10 interviews, 15 interviews, because 15 years you go, you've done your education. You cannot try 10 interviews, means it's a waste. So education is part of your enjoyment and life. Okay, after your education, try to divide your life into two parts. One part is a job and one part is your personal life. So give some time for your jobs and educate yourself and try to learn something. And okay, differentiate your life. And because without job, how can you survive? Okay, job is one part of life, and after that job, there will be your life. Okay, divide your life with 15 years is over. You enjoyed your life, you done everything. Now you need to take serious about this 1 year, because this one is a platform, this is a one time effort. If you're selected, you keep on going with the company and your technologies. And okay, don't worry about your losing jobs, these all things, nothing will be happen. Everyone will be surviving the jobs. Don't think about any pressures, any things. Okay, try to get the jobs.